Hi friends, today I'm showing you this FunFlix mini projector. It's a 12,000 lumen 1080 pixel high definition portable projector. This projector is with the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth with the 4K support, and you can use it anywhere with the home theater, movie projector or anything. So I will show you its demo. So let me show you the unboxing first, like what comes in the box. So this is the manual, HDMI cable, power cord, remote and a AV code. So this is the main projector. So this is all the things comes with the box. So as HDMI from both side, the normal HDMI size thing, so that you can use between your laptop or any other thing or to the TV. Power code, AV code, a remote and the projector. So you can see this is a portable size nice projector where like the speakers are here in the back, and this also is the checking in with that one, this the sides for the IR remote and your lens. So this everything I will show you later with the manual as well, and you can see all the grading, the label. So here this is to do the focus, and you can see like the speakers. I say IR remote, this is to change the focus, the power code. So the power code is here, like it will go directly here. So set it up, and for the airflow, and these are the ports. So two HDMI, two USB, audio, and the AV code. So I'm just setting up a screen so that I can show you the demo. So just darkening it. This is the button. You just start, press OK. This will start. So let me figure it out and adjust it so that the things will come on the screen. I'm not showing you the setup like on the big screen right now, means to the 100-inch or 120-inch style. Just focusing it with this focus button, and so that you can see it clearly and I can capture it on my camera. So like you can see this come on the screen. This is the projector, and it is really like good lumen and very clear. So there are different things that you can do. So right now I'm trying to do with the iOS cable. So I'm using a charging or the data cable that comes with the iPhone, and you can use that to connect that with the Wi-Fi. These are the settings that you can see, like the projector setting. So network setting, I'm setting up the Wi-Fi. So I will connect it with my network, so that I will not show you the name, but I can click and you can check. So you can do it manual update or the online update. So it's checking the firmware is all good. So these are the setting for the projector to connect it through the Wi-Fi, network, Bluetooth and everything. So now I'm just trying to cast. So do the screen sharing, and here it can be cast through the screen share. See, it's working, reading, and whatever is on your screen will come on the projector. So this one is pretty nice and really clear. It's high definition. So this is what one on my mobile and coming on the screen, and you can see a high definition movie. I'm trying to get the copyright free clips so that there's no issue of the copyright. Now I'm just doing the iOS cable thing. So it asks you like to trust the device, and then when you trust the device, you put in the password and you can connect your screen directly to the projector. So see, what is playing on my mobile is on the screen through this iOS cable or the iPhone cable. So I'm doing the HDMI now. So I'm connecting it through the HDMI. So you can see the clarity. So this is on my laptop I'm connected with, and then I'm putting it through the HDMI. So you can see like the clarity, like on my screen this is the HD, and here you can see like because of the light maybe it's not that clear, but I can clearly see like from my side that this is really nice and crisp video on the screen. So this is I'm trying to make it on a big screen, maybe it's around like 100-inch or something, and you can see from the distance that how big the screen can be. You need to focus through this rotation cycle and the knob, and you can see the clarity. It's a really nice projector with all the things.